Okay, guys, welcome back. Today I got something today. This time instead of Captain Underpants collection, for now we'll do a Dogman collection. So here's the first one. These are the previous ones. Dogman. Dogman Unleashed. Tale of Two Kitties. Dogman and Cat Kid. For whom the ball rolls. No, don't show it yet. Dogman Fetch 22 and Dogman Private Punishment. Yeah, I know that.
Okay.